Hello students, we are doing chapter work and energy. Some more numericals we are doing today of the different pattern on the basis of kinetic energy. So you have to first know about what is the meaning of kinetic energy when the object is under motion and the relationship of the kinetic energy, that is half mv square. Okay, so let's begin with the first question. It's there, two bodies have equal masses. Okay, so two bodies are there. We can consider two bodies as m1 and m2, and they have equal masses and they are moving with the equal velocities. Now they are moving with the equal velocities 2v and 3v. What is the ratio of their? So when you substitute the values, you can write down m1 and m2, because the masses are same, we can write down as m. Okay, so two bodies have equal masses and they are moving with the uniform velocities of 2v and 3v. What is the ratio of their kinetic energies? Now we know that the formula of the kinetic energy, it is half mv square. In this question, what is given? They are of equal masses. When they are of equal masses, it means the m1 and m2, it is equivalent to m. The first velocity, it is given as 2v, and the second velocity, it is given as the 3v. We have to find out the ratio of their kinetic energies. So first kinetic energy we are considering as E1, and second kinetic energy we are considering as E2. We have to find out the ratio of both the first kinetic energy with the second kinetic energy. Now we know the formula, it is half mv square. Now half m1, now m1 and this m2 we can substitute both as m1 because it is same, or either we can write m also. So this m and n will get cancel off, half and half will get cancel off. So finally we will be getting the v1 square upon the v2 square. So when you substitute the values, the v1 square, it is 2 2s are 4 and 3 square 3 3s are 9, and this v and v will get cancel off. So you will be getting the answer 4:9. Okay, or you can say the ratio 4:9. Okay, so like this you are supposed to calculate the ratio of the kinetic energy. Now whenever this type of the question come, you are supposed to see that which things are common here, so that they will cut. Like half and half, there it is cancelling here, and the m1 and m2, it is equivalent to m. So this m and m will also cancel off. Finally this will left, and when you are doing the square of it, you will get the value. Now the next question, it has been asked, calculate the amount of work done required to stop a car of 1000 kg moving with speed of 72 km per hour. Okay, now here m1, the car of mass 1000 kg, so mass it is given as 1000 kg. Now speed of 72 km per hour. Now we know that whenever the velocity is there in the kilometer per hour, we are supposed to calculate in the meter per second, and you all know that is multiplied by 5/18. So as per the given condition, m equal to 1000 kg, u equal to it is given as 72 km per hour. When you multiply by 5/18, okay, this will get cut off, and finally you will be getting 20 meter per second. Okay, so and we can consider here that calculate the work done required to stop a car of 1000 kg moving with the speed of 72 km per hour. It means here the final velocity, it is considered as the 0. Okay, so work done is the changes in the kinetic energy. Now there are the two ways to calculate. Either we know that the initial velocity is represented by u, and the final velocity, it is represented by v. Now there are two things. Either you can calculate first half mv square and separately half mu square, and then you do the difference. But it would be more convenient, you can see here the half is also coming here and half m is also coming here. So what you can do, you can take out common half m, and then you can write in the bracket v square minus u square. So when you substitute the values, half into m, 0 square minus 20 square, so this term will be considered as 0. Half, the value of the m, it is given as 1000, so you are writing 1000 multiplied by this value, that is minus 20, so minus 20 square. So finally you will be getting this answer. So in the terms of the power, if we want to write, we can write minus 2 multiply, since there are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 0, we can write down 10 to the power 5 joule. Okay, we are calculating the work done, so we are writing the unit as the joule. Okay, now the next question, it is asked, calculate kinetic energy of the car of mass 750 kg moving with the velocity 54 km per hour. Find new kinetic energy. Now first part, it is calculate kinetic energy as per this given condition. The mass is 750 and 54 km per hour. So first you will be calculating the value according to the given condition. Next, what you have to write down? New kinetic energy of the car if the passenger 50 kg sits in the car. Right now the mass is 750 kg. If 50 kg person sit in the car, so 750 plus 50, so the mass will become 800. So in the second kinetic energy, when you are calculating, you will not write 750, you will be writing 800. Okay, so first we are calculating first kinetic energy, half mv square, half mass, it is 750, and value when you convert into the meter per second, you will be getting this value 15. So this value you are getting. Okay, now in the case of second kinetic energy, when you calculate the second kinetic energy, you will see that you have to write down the same formula, half mv square, half. Now the new mass after the entrance of the 50 kg person, it is 750 plus 50, will write 800, and the velocity is the same, which will convert the meter per second, that is 15. So on solving you will be getting this answer. Okay, now here you are getting 84375 joule. Now don't forget to write the unit. Okay, so in this question we have done on the different pattern question on the basis of kinetic energy. The main important thing you have to remember that when the two velocities are given, that is initial and the final, either you can do in this way, you can do separately and do the difference, or you can take common and then you can solve it. Okay, so you are supposed to practice this question which are based on the kinetic energy.